What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. My name's Leandro Di Manriva, and the cocktail we're making today is the Remember the Maine. This kind of sounds weird. The cocktail is Remember the Maine. And this particular cocktail was first published by Charles H. Beaker in his 1939 Gentleman's Companion. And it commemorates the start of the Spanish-American War. The story goes that the Maine was a US naval vessel that mysteriously sank off of the coast of Havana Harbor in 1895. And that then started the Spanish-American War. The rallying cry at the time was, "Remember the Maine, the hell with Spain." All right, let's do the cocktail. First thing we're gonna do, 2 dashes Angostura bitters. And then we're just gonna estimate, because I don't have, the lesson here is that I should probably just have another dasher. And I will stop being lazy and go get one. But until then, we're just gonna do a little dash of absinthe, and we're just going to, that's a little bit much. Don't do this at work, but it's my own bottle, so I can. And the Jigger's clean. But just like a dash of absinthe as well. Then we are going to do 3/4 of an ounce of sweet vermouth. Oh, sorry. I usually do that label out, but it's Coqui de Torino. I like that label out too. And then 1/4 of an ounce of cherry hearing. This is kind of an unscientific approach, but if you know what you're doing, you can estimate 1/4 of an ounce at the top of this jigger, even though the jigger is a little bit closer to 3/8 of an ounce, really. And then 2 ounces of rye whiskey. We're using my favorite workhorse, Old Overholt, not the bonded, just the 80 proof. But it is really good and perfect for cocktails. And we did 2 ounces of that. And we're just gonna do a bunch of ice, a whole lot of ice into our mixing glass, and we're gonna stir until we're properly chilled and diluted. There you go. 30 to 40 seconds should do it. And then put in our julep strainer and strain. Very nice. Now, most commonly you're going to see luxardo cherries as the garnish on this drink, either 1 in the bottom or 3 on a skewer. I've also seen it with lemon. Personally, I like this drink with a lemon twist. And so we're going to be using that as the garnish. But if you want to, you can always use luxardo cherries as your garnish. We're going to stick it in right there. And there we have it, the Remember the Maine. Now let's taste it. It tastes like a Manhattan variation, which is basically what it is. It's exactly what it is. You get a lot of the vermouth straight up front with the rye whiskey, and then you get like a nice little pop from the cherry hearing. You get just a little bit of that absinthe. You're kind of mixing with that Angostura bitters to kind of give it like a small anise pop, but not super anise pop. It's really great. There you guys have it, the Manhattan variation. Remember the Maine.